Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. So today might be a short one because we're running out of time. I gotta hurry this up. But I got something new that came in the mail a few days ago. Got from Raymond Dang. I don't know if he's Vietnamese or not, so I don't know how to pronounce his last name. But get the Sequential tail lights. They look pretty sick. I'll try to do some B-rolls and montages and stuff like that. I have never wired before. I always hate wiring. So today's gonna be interesting. Let's see if I can wire this up. I got my brother helping me. He knows how to wire and everything. I told him let me try to do it. I gotta learn how to wire. So I always want to learn. So we're gonna see if we can wire these. These look pretty sick. And let's get to this video. I gotta remove this door panel first. So let's remove this door panel. Alright, later guys.
Alright guys, so in this video, I won't be doing a lot of talking because my brother's still not used to the camera. And we're really trying to focus on finishing these turn signals because we did have later issues and it's getting pretty late in the day. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm always here to help you guys. And in that clip, I'll just remove the door panel and it's pretty easy. It was like 2 screws, remove off the panel. There's other videos on how to remove the door panel, so don't worry about watching my video for a tutorial. And in this video, I won't be really showing how to wire it. There's 2 videos on YouTube that just explains how to wire it. There's one by Raymond, who did it really well. Then there's one by Underground Lex. He's one of my new guys I've been watching. He commented on my videos, helping me out with a tune I'm getting in the future. And he has a clear description video of how to wire it. The only thing I'll be talking about wiring wise is one wire, which is the DRL wire. No one talks about that wire, so I'll talk to that one a little bit at the end. So in this clip, we're just removing the mirror. All you do is push on each corner of the mirror with a pry tool. And then just be careful, don't break the mirror because I heard it's very fragile. Then after that, just a couple of screws, like maybe 4 or 5, holding the mirror cap actually in. Alright, that's enough of the sad song. Sorry you get to hear that any further. But in this clip, we're going to be wiring the, I believe it was the blue or the green wire, which is the DRL wire, because we're going to be wiring it towards the light switches inside, such as like the window switches. We're going to tap that wire to that one. So whenever the lights turn on, the DRL will turn on as well. Alright, so as a disclaimer, we tried to wire the DRL lights to that puddle light inside under the door handle, and just letting you guys know, for some reason that light switch or that wire is always on. So that's what we wired it at first. That's the issue that we had. So after the install was done and said, the light was still on for the turn signal. So just a disclaimer, do not tap it to the light under the pedal light like I did on the door handle. I actually tapped it to the light switches on the window switches. Also, I do believe that the wire that you tap it to is going to be one of the big green wires that connects to the pin. We had to play with it. I forgot which one. I think it's number 1 or the last one. It's a big green wire. Alright, as said before, this is how we tapped it into the light switch area. You see that green wire is the wire that we had to use. We actually had to extend the wire because the wire he gave us wasn't long enough. So that's how we wired it, and you see we did tap it to one of the big green wires. Also, as disclaimer, this next clip is gonna be like a little show mode. It's weird. It's like right when the lights turn on that it has this little show mode. It's only if you have sequentials on. So like whenever, let's say you're in like going into a tunnel, when the lights turn on, it'll do that kind of show mode kind of thing. Or when you first unlock it, like the first time when your lights are supposed to be on. It's kind of weird how to word it, but it has this little mini kind of show thing. I thought it was pretty cool, so I want to share it. Alright, so here's the night test. I'm going to be doing me walking up to the car to see the new courtesy part of the light, then the signals, unlocking, all that stuff. So let's get started. So first, let's do a quick walk-up test, how the new puddle looks like. There you go. That's that new bulb right there. You just go down. See, it does extend it pretty good amount, and it's pretty bright. Alright, time for unlocking. See, that mini show. And some of the DLLs. Locking. And then sequentials. Once again, I'm going to be going up to the car and then doing the signals from there. Alright guys, it's a little dark, but thank you guys so much for watching as always. I really appreciate you guys' support, and thank you for always waiting constantly for videos. I appreciate all you guys who DM me saying where I'm at, if I'm doing okay. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I can start editing and recording more. Just waiting for this rainy season to pass by. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.